joy. Yani şatlıq şeyleri. I wish our good words each other. Okay? You are best of the best.
You are best.
Louder.
You are smart. You are super. You are lucky.
You are great.
You are lucky. You are excellent. You are best. You are best friend. You are brilliant. You are good. You are clever. You are wonderful.
Okay, thank you. Take sheet of paper and divide two groups, okay? One group Instagram and the second group TikTok, okay? Take sheet of paper, hide your group and say name your group, okay? Көрсетеміз, парамызды сөйтеміз де өзіміздің қолымызды айтамыз. Айтайықшы. Thank you. And second group, show your paper and say your group's name. TikTok. Okay, thank you.
This is you. And your group is clear.
Okay, thank you. And who is me next? Hassan, please.
Hello, my friends. How are you? I mean, there's going to be a school fair day tomorrow. When you come to it, there will be interesting things here. Drawing competition, performances. Someone brings their own sweets. It's hard to describe, It would be nice if you came. Well, goodbye.
Okay, you left a long letter to write Hassan, okay? Excellent. You please.
Hello, my friends. How are you? You are one of the best people in the world. I am glad to meet you. You are the most honest and kind person. I'm glad to be your friend because you always help me.
Okay, thank you. And who is next?
Dear my friend, I wish you success in the lesson. And whoever you are a good friend. I hope we will be activity in the lesson. Good luck.
How about you, please?
Hi, my friend. How are you? Is everything okay? I miss you so much. I want to visit you, but I can't because I have work still. Still, I never forget you. I want to play with you like before. I want to go to the door that will share is at which places.
Okay, thank you. Why? Yes? Say please.
My friends, my cricketers is very cricketer and the kings and the loyal friends. How are you? You are good. Mine is good. I'm happy to have friends like you.
Okay, thank you. And who is next? I'm going to let you please.
My friends. Hello, my friend. Who are you? I wish your success in today's lesson.
Okay. And because please.
Hello, my friend. How are you? What are you doing to my room?
Short. You write too short letter. Please.
Hello, friends. I have a best friend. He is a faithful friend. He always supports me. He lives with me. My seat we go to school to first. He never gets rid of me. He never hurts me. He is a person who is to my side in difficult times. I have him very good.
Okay. Thank you. I want you please.
Hello, my friend. How are you? Are we happy? Are we parents? Okay. Are we getting good grades in our classes? I want Freud or Roy. Roy are my best friend.
Okay. Excellent. Continue please.
Hello, my friend. How are you?
Don't attention our pronunciation. Next. That's all? Okay. And you did homework very excellent. Yes? Okay. I'll give you excellent all. Yes? Үй тапсырмасын жақсы орындадық, барлығымыз жақсы баға алдық. Ал енді today's new theme, an internet course, Unit 6, Entertainment and Media. Yeah? entertainment and media деген бөлімнің қорытындылау сабағы сияқты соңғы сабақтар болып жатыр бұл жерде. Бүгінгі today's theme and internet post. Бүгінгі біздің тақырыбымыз интернет пост, иә? Okay. And let's our lesson. Open your books on page 69. Open your books on page 69. And read the first Instagram group, one sentence, and the second TikTok group, second sentence, okay? Бірінші Instagram группа мәтінді exercise 1-ды бір сөйлем оқиды, одан кейін екінші топ бір сөйлем оқиды, солай кезектесеміз, okay? By one, okay? Who wants to read exercise 1? Hassan, please.
I just come back from a fantastic prayer concert. It was. Мен кеше ғана керемет тегін концертте болдым.
Okay, thank you. Second sentence. Sayati, please.
I was in a park near the city center, and there was a great atmosphere with hundreds of young people dancing and enjoying themselves.
Translate your sentence, please.
Бұл жердің атмосфераласы өте керемет, және де адамдары бұған концертке көп келеді.
Okay. Third sentence.
There were lots of dance, but for me the best one was the heart from Manchester.
Okay, translate, please.
Олар стильдердің курстасын ойнайды. Топтар мен көп болды, бірақ мен үшін ең жақсысы Манчестер келген The Hans тобы.
Okay, man, okay. And you, please.
They played mixed Олар бұл концертте осындай стильде
Аралас стильдер екен, иә? Okay, And you, please. Rock. Can you translate? Олар бірінші олардың бірінші әндері қандай болды? Folk. Ол дәстүрлі, иә?
Дәстүрлі болды.
And
Rock.
одан кейін неге ұласты ол? Рокқа
Rock.
және регги әуендеріне ұласты, yes? That's all your final picture, yeah? The singer then is бұл әнші Дженни Смит. Оның дауысы шынымен де өте керемет. Okay, that's all. And
There's at the drum played Soldier Green.
Олар guitarist and the drummer played very well.
Гитаристтермен барабаншылар бірге ойнады.
Okay, thank you. And your group, please.
They were just made an album. There's never been a hit. And I want to get it. Олар жаңа альбом жасады. Олардың альбомдары хит болған емес.
Hit болған емес, иә әлі? And your group, big one for me, please. Last sentence.
You get the chance to see them good for it.
Translate your sentence, please. Дәл қазір егер сіздің шанс
Көрген мүмкіндігіңіз бар.
оларды көруге мүмкіндігіңіз бар. And you go дейді. Қайда бармыз? Солайға бармыз. Мүмкіндігіңіз болса, обязательно бармыз дейміз бұл жерде. Okay, do you understand this text?
Yes.
What about the text? What about?
The
concert. Who is concert?
The singers.
Who is gospel? Кімнің блогы болды бұл? L was gospel. Yes, okay. Okay. And consolidate this text. You must do this exercise through and false. True and false. And Zakat is not working. Watch very careful, very attentively, and you say positive and negative sides using this internet. Yes? Saying this negative and positive sides using the internet. Negative sides using the
Negative
internet.
sides is using a waste of time.
And a lot of time.
More sleep.
More sleep.
Positive sides is communicate with long.
Communicating with other easy, yes? For example, works, banking works, and email, yes?
And it helps to us learn about learning.
Learning, okay. Helps us doing homework first of all, yes? Who is next? Aisha, you please.
Let's talk about the bad side of the internet. The problem is that we don't call the value of that term with the term sitting at the computer infinitely and don't notice how it's passed. Instead, we can do something useful. You can call it internet addiction.
Okay, thank you. And who is next? Akmal, you please.
Harm the health, for example, is balance you might become addicted to the internet. Last time on the internet, children love internet in their classes.
In their classes, doing classes. Okay, and who is next? You please. Be active, boys. Okay, don't be passive.
Watch the internet.
Don't afraid our teachers.
Person stops his development and harms his niche.
Okay, okay, thank you. And who is next? Sayat, you please.
Disadvantages of the internet. URS has and URL course use is musicals of the internet due to
Don't attention our pronunciation.
due to gambling videos not use the internet problem.
Okay, thank you. And who is next?